Hello everybody. Today we are starting a new lesson, that is AI powered presentations and design. Like how you can make use of AI to make presentations and all. Basically a designer presentation which you can share easily with your client, or you can share, or you can show this in your meetings, or you can use that in your classrooms. All these tools are free absolutely, so you don't have to worry. They provide a good amount of credits for you to try them. And the second platform which I will show you here, it is absolutely free, so no need of watermark issue, no need of anything. I will show you that also. So let us begin with the topic today. So our topic is AI powered presentations. So we have many tools in market for presentations. Basically we have Gamma basically, then we have Canva AI, then we have Beautiful.ai. There are many type of AI presentation application. You can search them on Google also. So let us see first application or first method to make presentations. I will show you two methods. So first method is Gamma AI. So we visit Gamma. So this is the dashboard of Gamma. So here you have to click on start for free, then continue with Google, or you can directly type in your email and then create a password and basically sign in this application. So we will continue with Google as it's easy to basically log in. So yes, we are here. So this is the base after login in, this is the basic dashboard of the Gamma. Here you will get the number of credits you will get in free version. I think those are more than 400 or 500 something you will get, so don't worry. For trial version, that is perfect. I have made in trial version only many presentations, as you can see. So this is credits. Now for creating presentation and all, we have to click on this create new with AI. Now you can, here we get four options. Generate, like in generate option you just have to provide the topic name, and the outline and all things will be basically taken care with Gamma only. Then we have paste in text. Paste the exact slide to slide text you want the Gamma to have. Gamma will not edit that, just Gamma will provide templates and themes and all, and the images accordingly. Then we have create from template, like you will choose a template and you will write on your own the content and the images and everything you will select there. Then we have import file or URL. Basically you can provide a website URL, then import your document and convert it into a presentation. Everything you can do here in this option. So now today we will see generate from one line prompt. So we can choose any topic, like we can choose Gen Z versus Gen Alpha. If we choose, this is our topic, and we will just click on generate outline, and let's wait for the Gamma to generate the outline. It is generating. So you can check you can edit here only the outlines if you think that this is not correct. So you can check every slide of the outline. Then we have options such as text content, like how much text content you want in your presentations. So here we have four options. First one is minimal, then we have concise, then we have detailed, then we have extensive. Then we have visual options like themes. You can choose from many themes, like there are a lot of themes provided by the Gamma. You can choose any theme according to your according to your personality, or according to the setup, whether it is a serious meeting, whether it is a, you can say, a fun day Friday meeting, or any kind of thing that is. So you can choose. So let us for a trial version. I think this is perfect. Select theme. So I have chosen my theme. Then we have image sources, like you can select the image sources. You can direct Gamma to use this image sources. I will set it by default, like by default it is AI images. Then we can choose the art style. We can choose basically scene, photo, still life, spot color, custom. There are many art forms in this. Then we have to choose the image model. we can choose basically the image model. There are many image models like you see Vio, I'm saying Nano Banana of Google. There are many image models in the market. On Gamma we have also many image models. As you can see, we have Nano Banana here also, but that is available on Pro and Plus version. But in free version also we have 3 image models, that is Flux 2 Fast, Ideogram 3.0 Flash, GPT Image Mini Fast. I prefer you just choose auto select model, as the Gamma itself only choose the best model possible for your presentation image generation. So we will select the auto select mode, then basically just click on the generate option, and let's wait for the presentation to be ready. Now as you can see, the Gamma is writing on its own. The Gamma is basically writing all the content on its own and basically generating our presentation in the selected theme we selected. Basically, let us wait, and if we scroll up, here we can see the Gamma is also generating the pictures and attaching them into the presentation using the image models which I saw you. The watershed movement, basically generation Gen Z. There is a like generation Gen Z is 1997 to 2010. Then we have generation Alpha, like 2010 plus. Then we have Gen Z, the architects of the digital world, the tech divergence, shaping. Let us wait for the presentation to be completed. So as you can see, like these kind of things, like flow, like a tree diagram and all, you can say that a tabular format, good tabular format of data showing. Then we have future outlook. As you can see, the images are also great. The road ahead. As Gen Z and Gen Alpha like anime things or cartoonish things, that's why they chose cartoonish things and all. So as you can see, our presentation is fully ready, and I think I can share this with a good audience, with a basically any type of audience. I can show this presentation. Now how to show this, basically the main question. Now here we get the option of share. You can directly share this Gamma link, where you can select the view option and share with your community, or you can choose edit, comment, no access options from this. The other option is export. You can basically export this presentation, export in PDF, then export in PowerPoint, export to Google Slides, export to PNGs. You can directly download this presentation in any one of the format here. And the third one is embed. You can embed this in a, in your whenever you if you are a website developer, like you can embed the code inside that, and you can use this iframe, and there you can basically set the dimensions of the presentation, and the presentation will directly can be viewed on your website. So you can share in this way also. So this was the Gamma, and I have shown you like how to share this presentation to your audience. Now the second tool but on Gamma the problem is it provides a certain credit limit, but on Claude, now the second tool is my most famous tool, basically, that is Claude AI. And we will just go to here. I hope you all have already signed in into Claude, as from my previous sessions also I have used Claude a lot, because it's a very good tool. So now on this, suppose I create the same presentation, create a professional Gen Z versus Gen Alpha, create a professional PPT on the topic Gen Z versus Gen Alpha, right? And we will select basically, we can just simply press the enter, and we will wait now. Now as you can see, it is reading the PPT. Its skill, it is fetching its PPT skill, like the PowerPoint presentations making skill. Then basically reading the PPT Genex creation guide, then running command to, and then installing the packages required to generate presentation. Then it is creating file. It creates all the environments on its own and then start working on that. Let's wait for the presentation to be created. Let's wait. Let's wait for the presentation to get created. As you can see, it is creating file. Let's wait for the generation. So like I have right now given a very simple prompt, like, so I like we cannot expect the Claude to generate a very magical thing, as I have not given a detailed prompt. If you have given a very detailed prompt, like which colors do you want, which font do you want in the PPT, so the Claude will follow that precisely and it will generate according to that. But today I have to show you the tools which you can use basically to generate presentation. That's why I did I wrote a very short prompt: create a professional PPT on the topic Gen Z versus Gen Alpha. And this platform is absolutely free. It might say like your time for chatting with Claude has been paused, or you can basically start continuing your chat with the Claude after some time, but it is free absolutely, so don't worry. So let's wait. It is now refining visual designs. Let me run a QA, content check and visual, and it is on its own it is running a QA, basically quality assurance. It is running and checking the visual renders and all. So good, content looks correct. Now visual QA, it is checking. It has already checked its own content, whether I have whether I have written the correct content or not. Now it is viewing all the slides visuals. So every step by step you can see what this LLM is doing basically. Use 5, slide 9. So it is in slide 10. Using, let's wait. Thinking. I think it got on slide. Oh, okay. So our presentation is ready, and in laptop versions, basically you will if you are opening the Claude in laptops, so you will you can display your PPT in this side window. It will automatically can be viewable in the side window. Let me refresh this first. Sometimes it happens. We need to refresh, just first close and then again select this. So yes, here we are. So here is our basically the presentation. So basically you can see it has also provided some graphs regarding that, and a very detailed presentation it has provided, like a professional presentation, which I can, and a proper tabular formatted things. Then we have a proper formatted relationship with technology, communication style, comparison, then values and worldwide. So in Claude you can make a very detailed presentation, and the Claude itself will check itself will do its QA, that is quality assurance of the slides, visual as well as the content, so you don't have to worry. So Now how to share or how to show this to somebody else? You can simply download this from here by clicking this button download, and your presentation will be downloaded, or simply download from here, or you can save this into your drive also directly. So in this way, these are the two ways in which basically you can achieve the skill of making presentations using AI. And so that's all for today, and we are done with our AI presentations making skill. In the next lesson, I will be showing you voice and audio AI, like how you can basically transcribe with using AI, then generate voice using AI, then like editing using AI. Everything I will show you in the next lesson. So thank you, and I will meet you in the next lesson.